Well, hey y'all, it's your girl Pope and I'm back, and I have a review on a vegan skincare called Anew, or The Way of Shea on Instagram. And they're all vegan, also made with love, because it says it on the side, one of the reasons why I love them. So I'm going to let you guys know specifically what I love about this brand. The body shea butter, black soap, shea butter soap, essential oils, lip balm. So I definitely love these soaps. They feel natural, of course, nice and smooth in my hand. They create a light lather, like it's a lather. I definitely use this one for nighttime washes, black soap, and this one, which is a shea butter, for in the morning. I don't feel heavy or feel stickiness or anything like that. It's really nice. Light, faint smells. It's not too strong, which I like that. I definitely get this plus. When it comes to the shea butter, they have different kind of like scents. So they have like coconut and chocolate, and it's just so cute. Coconut is my favorite. I've been using it for forever. It's raw vegan shea butter. I love how the shea butter like seep in my skin, which is really important, because then I don't have the feeling as if I'm gonna slip on everything that I touch. The lip love is really nice. It's the same exact thing as the shea butter. It doesn't really have a taste in my opinion, but if it does get in my mouth a little bit, it's not bothersome. The cocoa mint is my favorite, so the one that kind of has like the chocolatey look or smell to it. And if people don't really like lip balms that give color, maybe they wouldn't prefer the cocoa mint one, because it gives you a brown type of tint to your lips when you put it on. The essential oils, which is really nice and smells so lovely. Again, just like with the soaps, 2-3 drops that I'll put around behind my ears or on my neck or on my wrist to just kind of give that smell. Sometimes if I kind of want my room to smell nice, something that's absorbing, I put a couple of the drops in and sit it next to me, or sit it on something. Sometimes I sit it on something that I could put inside my pillow, so I can have that smell overnight. Fabulous. I've actually been using Anew for about a year now, because I was introduced to Anew, or the Way of Shea, at last year's Vegan Fest in New York City. They're vending, and I tried it, and ever since it's a year now, and I'm still using their products. All of it is very long lasting. I could have one full size tub last a couple weeks to a month. If you want to know more information about them, please go to www.thewayofshea.com. I have their links in my description box below. Let me know if you like it or something that you know you're really feeling, because it's just absolutely wonderful. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and you subscribe and you do all that good stuff, you know. And I'll see you guys later.